Today is the day you stop talking about making money online and you start making money online. Today we're going to show you how to make money using Amazon. And everyone knows Amazon. You've probably spent hundreds, if not thousands of dollars already on this platform. So let's show you guys how to make money on this platform instead of paying money on this platform. So as you guys can see here, we're on Google. We're going to search up the Amazon Associates program. This program does cost zero money, $0. It's not like Shopify where you need to buy a store and get that set up to start selling products on there and start paying for those products. So we can sell products on Amazon using our referral link, and we'll get commission back. And we'll show you guys further in the video how much you guys are going to make per product, how to sell these products, and what I've been finding is the most effective last time I was here on Amazon Associates, back when I was in the top 1.5% on Twitch. So as you guys can see here on the webpage, search up the Amazon Associates program. So you go to the Amazon Associates Central. So we come here, let this load up. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come to this page here. And let's zoom in a little bit. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to come to a page that looks like this. Recommend products, earn commissions. Really simple. We're going to be using a bunch of different things that we're going to use our referral link. And I'll show you guys the best methods. So, friends and family aren't always asking for our referral links, and to make this process as streamlined as possible, because the less hiccups there are, the more ways that people are able to just kind of click on your link and do whatever they need to do to make you referrals. It makes it a lot easier for them. The less resistance you can add, someone's not like, hey, I need this specific cat food, or I need this specific thing that I want. Can you send me a link for this item? We'll show you guys in the future how to work that effectively. So going down, you guys come here, sign up, right? Recommend products, earn commission up to 10%, right? So a lot of the stuff that we're going to be targeting, there is different percentages, and we'll walk you guys through it. It's going to be in that 5 to 10% range that we're going to be kind of targeting for most effective marketing. So for every $1,000 you sell on Amazon, you should be getting between $50 and $100, right? So what we're trying to do is just try and get this passively, get our link out there, and get the referral fees. So scroll down, how the program works. Qualifying for it, you have to have 3 purchases in the first 90 days, which shouldn't be any problem. We got friends, we have families, and we'll show you how to utilize Pinterest and copy and pasting these links, right? So after you sign up for the program, you'll get taken to the site here. Now, I haven't done anything on this site. The clicks that I've got is from not referring anything. It's just from people, I guess, finding it somehow. But I want to start this fresh for our YouTube channel so you guys can see how it's built and how scalable that this is. We're going to be taking probably about half an hour every day, and like I'm telling you guys, we're going to be able to scale even just this business, not including the other ones that we're going to be working on the side, to $10,000 a month. But you guys are going to have to time block some of this time off to make sure that you guys are spending about half an hour on this each and every day. So the best thing I like using is Google Calendars, and I look at the things I have to do that day, and I'll schedule my half an hour block for the Amazon Associates program, and it's just referring links, talking to people, following up, and then that's going to make us $10,000 a month passively. So as you come down here, you can see 4 people have clicked on my link. I think this is pretty much right when I opened up the account. I'm not sure where the clicks came from, but you're able to track this here. So as you can see, I have 0 items shipped, 0 money earned, 0 ordered items, and this is as of January 11th. So we'll be able to track this going forward, and our aim is by this time next year that we're going to be making $10,000 a month just on this one alone. And if you guys make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and we're going to be showing you lots of other ways where we can bring in that $10,000 a month. And we're also going to be using the infinite money hack using TFSAs and RSPs. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all the support, and you guys will keep up with it. So now let's go into how much money you guys are going to make on this. So if you guys go down to earning reports, we'll click on that. You guys will get here to your commission statements. Now, when we're looking at this, you know, we can sell just about anything on Amazon here. If you guys have used Amazon, if you guys are familiar with Amazon, you guys will be able to see here that you can literally sell just about anything on Amazon. So going from the top down, if you guys are looking to refer Amazon games, you will earn 20% on those Amazon games. You know, if you're in the luxury luggage, beauty, shoes, handbag, and accessories, you guys are gonna get 10% on that. And I know some of the girls that I know do buy makeup on Amazon, and you guys are able to get about 10% of that back. And it's kind of like one of those Mary Kay programs where, you know, they have a referral program. Someone sells Mary Kay, they buy the product, they get the referral fee for that, right? So a lot of the stuff that I'm going to be targeting myself, because I do own a construction business, is the furniture, home improvement, lawn and garden category at 9%. So a lot of the stuff that we're going to buy through Amazon, we are going to be getting about 9% of that. My construction company, I want to say buys about $30,000 worth of stuff off Amazon per year. So at 9%, we are getting a pretty good chunk of change back just from using this program. But even if your niche is something else, you can go down, you know, baby products, cell phone, accessories, anything that you guys want. You guys can use this program to make money on everyone's Amazon purchases. Now, the way that we're going to do that is we're going to go up here, we're going to go product linking, and we're going to link to any page at Amazon. Now, the best way I found to create the least amount of resistance for people is linking the Amazon homepage, because then they're able to find whatever they want on Amazon. And I just found that's kind of the best way for people, because some people are like, yeah, I want this specific thing, and you know, by the time you get back to them with the link, they're like, oh, sorry, I already bought it, like you took too long. You know, it's not a very progressive thing. Like, you're not always having time to answer your phone. We want to kind of streamline this where we're not going to have to use a lot of our time, because we're going to time block about half an hour a day on this, and we don't want people messaging us every hour or once an hour. Hey, can I get a link for this? Hey, can I get a link for this? You know, I want to support you, but I need this link, right? So coming here to link any page on Amazon, link any page on Amazon. So we click here. So we'll literally go www.amazon.ca. So we're just going to name this one homepage, right? Get HTML, and then we're just going to click right here, homepage, right? So up here you can see this is our link, right? So anytime someone uses our link, we'll get referrals for it, right? So as you can see, I have bought some construction stuff. We buy pot lights on here, shark bites, flush mounts, shower valves, right? So it will take them to this home page. So what we're going to do is every day we're going to take this link, we're going to copy, we're going to paste it, we're going to share it on our Facebook, we'll share it on our Instagram, we'll share it on a Pinterest account, and then that way whoever clicks our link, it takes them back to the home page, so they can get whatever they want and we don't have to directly refer them to something. Now we can step this up one more by utilizing the today's deals, right? So if we go down here, we can go shop all deals, right? So depending on your niche or whatever you think is like a good deal here, coming down here, like I'm in the construction business, so someone wants this faucet here, right? So we'll look at this faucet. Oh, look, I've purchased this variation one time already, but it's 40% off, right? So what we'll do is we'll come here, we'll copy this link. Obviously, this is the lowest price it's been. This is using Honey, right? This is the lowest price it's been in the last 30 days, right? So using this, we can take this and be like, hey, today this is the deal of the day, it's offered for a limited time. We'll go here, we'll copy this, and then we'll go back to our Amazon page, and then we'll enter the URL, right? And then we'll name this deal, let's just call this January, oh, I don't know how to spell that, 12th, right? So we're going to get HTML, we're going to click this, January 12th, so it's going to take them right to this link. So now every day we're going to be posting 2 links, right? So we got one for the home page, and then we got one for the deal of the day. So that way we're going to double tap the market. So hey, if you guys are looking to buy anything on Amazon, this is the home page, and guess what? Today's deal, we got 40% off a nice black faucet to put in your kitchen, right? This is a product that I've used before in my construction industry, and yeah, it actually is a really good faucet, right? And especially with faucets going usually about $100 to about $300. This is such a steal, buying this at $70. And with Prime, I can have this shipped to my house in the next like 2 to 3 days here. So it's just a no-brainer when it comes to this. So hopefully this, guys, helps you sell on Amazon, you know, start getting that monthly income. You know, if you can get, you know, a couple people a day, there's millions of people buying stuff on Amazon each and every day, I'm sure yourself included. So you want to try to utilize this as much as you can, so that way you can kind of increase your revenue, right? And we're going to show you on a week-to-week basis how we're going to take our revenue from month to month and create an infinite banking solution, where in the next, you know, 2 to 3 years, we're going to be able to retire on that money. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see and what you guys are doing to generate monthly income. See you guys in the next video.